Om Shanti. Bring your all attention in the center of forehead. And create the awareness of your true self. Body as your chariot, and I, point of light and might. Is soul, charioteer of this chariot. All the organs of the body, body as a vehicle, and I, soul, the driver of the vehicle. I am a peaceful soul, a pure soul, a loveful soul. To experience silence and peace, I merge my mind and intellect and sanskars. And experience a very, very quiet mind, silent intellect. In this awareness of being a soul, detached from the body, I go beyond and I am pulled by Supreme Soul, Baba. And I, through my intellect, go beyond these five elements, the body. Beyond sky, in this realm of light, my home, supreme abode. With love, I connect. with Baba. One who also is a light, unlimited bestower. But in loveful relationship as child and father, parents, I merge in the ocean of love, ocean of peace, almighty, in this connection, relationship, I receive. I feel God's love, total silence and peace. And start experiencing myself in my original state of all the qualities and powers. Sweet meeting, and I stay in this loveful meeting with Baba. Om Shanti.
अरे शिव की याद रहेगी तब
ओम शांति। अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है दिन 8।
Welcome to Avyakti Parivar.
अपनी
Today is day
शक्तिशाली मंत्रों
8.
द्वारा
Do the service
सकाश
of giving
देने की
Sakash
सेवा
through your
करें।
powerful mind.
आज का विषय है
Today's theme
उड़ती
is
कला।
Flying Stage.
जितना
As
जितना
time
समय
comes
समीप
closer,
आता जा रहा है,
Ways
उतना
thoughts are
व्यर्थ
increasing
संकल्प भी
just
बढ़
as
रहे
much,
हैं,
but they
लेकिन
are
यह
emerging
चित्त
in order
होने
to
के
be
लिए बाहर
settled.
निकल रहे हैं।
It is their
उन्हों का काम
duty
है
to come
आना और
and
आपका
your
काम है
duty to
उड़ती कला
transform them
द्वारा
with your flying
सकाश
stage
द्वारा परिवर्तन
and
करना।
Sakash. Do not be
घबराओ
afraid.
नहीं,
Do
उसके
not be
सेट में नहीं
affected
आओ।
by them.
अभी हम
Now we'll
मोहिनी
listen
दीदी से
from Moini
सुनेंगे।
Didi.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
बाबा के सभी बच्चे खुश राजी मौज में है ना?
Every child of Baba are happy and content, aren't you? So Baba says, now create such a thing from your thoughts that you yourself get Sakash and others also get Sakash. We use the word to give Sakash, but first and foremost, we receive it ourselves. And if you just remember this, there will be a lot of bhavna feeling to emerge and create elevated thoughts that let me keep receiving Sakash and let others keep receiving Sakash. Because these days, everybody says that this is my task, this is my that. Please give us some blessing, have some good thoughts. So I say, of course, why not? You will definitely get it. So this Mansa Seva that Baba is telling us to do constantly, we need to do it. And whatever obstacle, whether it's any waste, it'll automatically finish on its own. There's one to walk, there's another thing to run, there's another thing to fly. Many times Baba says that children, there are people who are walking on their feet, there are one horse riders, and there are also Maharathis, the elephant riders. So Baba is saying, have a flying stage. Because when you create elevated thoughts, you need a flying stage. Otherwise, even the thoughts become ordinary and waste. So then you can't give Sakash and that stops. So Baba is sharing very well. And what is he saying? As the time comes closer, waste thoughts are increasing just as much. And that is why we need to create elevated, powerful thoughts. Many subtle and gross obstacles. This is the time to settle, isn't it? So if we give a little more attention, even in 1 second, you've changed the thought. How long would it take to change a thought? But because we just let it go, so we're not in a flying state, so then we get stuck. Baba, I like this example of Baba, that you are in an aircraft and you're looking from up above, and a big bungalow also looks like a little matchstick. From that elevated stage, when you look down, nothing looks big. But if you have an ordinary stage and if you keep seeing and listening, then there will be waste. Why is this one like this? Even small things, you'll start pay attention to them. And Baba has given us many examples. Wherever you're going, even if you're walking, and if there's a big rock on your way, many children just stop and start to break the rock, and some to clear the way, and some they fly over it and pass. So how much aim should we have to fly? Come on, let's fly. A stage, a flying stage. That is the need. So nicely Baba is sharing. Baba isn't saying that obstacles won't come. No, many obstacles will come. But if you're able to pass, you'll get promoted. And Baba is watching anyway. He's our teacher and he'll keep giving marks. I have seen from the beginning that Baba has already given us the marks. We are in the plus. Many people, it happens that nobody appreciates, nobody observes, but Baba knows. Baba knows my fortune. My part is in the hand of the director. With that faith, I'm here for so many years. You have seen, you heard just now, for so many years what we have been doing. On one side, there is success, attainment, and on the other side, we are failing. Or there's a situation or obstacles that come. Baba says, Baba says that they are emerging in order to be settled. They are emerging in one moment. It is getting settled. Where is my attention? Okay, we remember, okay, it's getting settled. But to remember that I also need to create, because this is the time also to create. This is the time to play our part in the confluence age. That's why Baba, in the Murli, Baba shared that always remember that we are confluence aged Brahmin. This is the confluence age. And one side there is the old, and the other side is new. And we have to move towards the new. Always remember this. It is their duty to come, and your duty to transform them with your flying stage and Sakash. Transform them with your flying stage and Sakash. Don't be afraid. Do not be affected by them. Fire also, that you feel the heat of it. So Baba says, do not be affected by them. What do we have to do now? We have to create elevated thoughts. On the basis of that, we need to stay in that flying stage. We need to become an embodiment of Sakash. It's not that we have to burn a fire. No, the fire is already, it's burning already. We are in the fire of love, whether it's the fire of tapasya, it's the month of January. Let the fire keep burning. You keep flying. No matter what comes, I need to fly and stay in a flying stage. Because what Baba is saying, with the elevated thoughts, it's only by the means of elevated thoughts you will get power in the Sakash. So stay so engrossed in your Purushat effort, especially in this month of January. Just keep taking blessings from Baba, Vardhan from Baba. See, Baba is seeing, he's looking at every child is in front of Baba. Baba is looking at each one, every child. Baba is watching us. Baba is giving. So that Daddy Janki would always say, accumulate as many blessings as you can. So we get power even. How are we going to be sustained? With blessings. Whose children are we? We are especially loved, Raj Dulare, kingly children. How much does Baba love us? And to every child, Baba loves every child so much. Every time I go to the subtle region, every child, Baba is pampering them, Dular. Sometimes when we get tired, Baba says, don't worry, come into my lap. Come in my lap. So always have elevated thoughts for yourself and also for others. Many times we think for others and we forget about the self. Think elevated. They have blessed words, have blessed thoughts. And then see how wonderful this drama appears to be. Om Shanti.
Avyakt Murli Revision 1969
Avyakt Murli Revision from 1969 onwards, Jewels of Knowledge and Pearls of Love. Avyakt Murli, February 1st, 1975. Experience of fire of love with God. I should do this. It should happen like this. I am doing my best. It will happen anyway. Of course, I have attention, and I even realize this. To think in this way is like using a match that has already been used. You make effort again and again, and you even take a lot of time, but the fire still doesn't become
अग्नि
intense.
प्रज्वलित नहीं होती।
The reason for this is that the
कारण
seed
यह
of your
है
thought
कि
is not
संकल्प
filled
रूपी
with the
बीज
strength
और
of
दृढ़ता के
determination.
साथ
That is, it is
संपन्न
empty.
नहीं है।
Because of this, the
अब हम
reward you
यहाँ इस
desire or whatever you
इस
expect of
कारण
the
से
future
की
isn't
आशा
fulfilled.
करते हो,
Then, as you
वह
move along,
भविष्य
you have
सोचते
to
हो,
make a lot of effort.
वह पूर्ण नहीं
And
हो
when you
पाता
see
है।
very little
और
success,
चलते चलते
you
महज
become
ज्यादा
distressed and careless.
प्राप्ति
This
कम
is when you
होती
say,
है,
I am
तो
doing it,
दिल
but I can't see any
शिकस्त
success.
व अलबेले हो
And so, what
जाते
can I
हैं।
do if my part is like
तब
that?
कहते हो
These are thoughts
कि
of
करते तो हैं,
disheartenment and
लेकिन होता
carelessness
नहीं,
that
तो
do
क्यों
not
करें?
bear fruit.
हमारा पार्ट ही ऐसा है। यह दिल
What do
शिकस्त व
you tell
अलबेले
everyone in this speciality?
और
What
फल
do you
न
tell
देने
everyone
वाले
is the
संकल्प
speciality
हैं।
of the confluence age?
आप
You
उन
tell
बाधाओं को
everyone
संगम
that the
युग की
confluence age
विशेषता
is the age
कौन
for
सी
making
बताते हो?
the impossible possible.
सभी को
This
कहते
is
हो
the
कि
age for
संयोग
making
है,
possible what the entire world
असंभव से
considers
संभव
to
हो
be
ही जाना।
impossible. A
जो
determined
बात
thought
सारी
can make
दुनिया असंभव
possible
समझती
in a
है,
second
वह
whatever
संभव
you
करने
yourself
वालों
found
के लिए
difficult
है।
or impossible. To make
तो
something
स्वयं
that
को
is
भी
easy
जो
or
मुश्किल व
possible
असंभव
happen
महसूस होता
practically
है,
is not a big thing.
उसको
But
एक
to
सेकंड
make the
में संभव
impossible
करना
possible with a
यह
determined
है
thought
दृढ़ संकल्प।
is a sign of passing with
सहज हो
honors.
अथवा संभव हो
Now bring
प्रैक्टिकल
about
बनाना
this newness.
कोई बड़ी
Then
बात नहीं,
you will be given marks for this newness.
लेकिन
Students
असंभव
look
को
at their total
समझना
results for the whole year to
और
see
दृढ़ संकल्प
what
से करना,
percentage they have
यह
attained
है पास
in
विद ऑनर
each
की निशानी।
subject.
अब यह नवीनता करके दिखाओ, तब इस
In the
नवीनता
same
पर
way,
मार्क्स देंगे।
you have to check your own
जैसे
results
स्टूडेंट हर
as
वर्ष
to in
की
which
टोटल
aspect
रिजल्ट
you
देखते
were
हैं
in the ascending stage
कि हर सब्जेक्ट में
and
कितना
on the basis of
परसेंटेज
what
रहा,
effort you had the ascending
वैसे
stage
ही
or in
अपना
which
रिजल्ट
subject you
देखना
were
है
weak. You
कि
have to
किस
look
बात
at
में
your
चंद्रिकला
total
हुई,
results.
किस पुरुषार्थ के
Bapdada
आधार से
constantly
चंद्रिकला
congratulates
हुई
you
और
because
किस
this
सब्जेक्ट
is the
में
greatest
कमी
day
रही,
in the world.
वह पूरा
Nature
साधना
is your
है।
servant, Das, but do
वो
not become
वाले
a
उपदेश
servant
बाप
of the
दादा
servant.
सदैव देते हैं।
For the sign of becoming a
यह
servant
सृष्टि का
is
बड़ा
the
दिन तो यही
experience,
है।
is to experience sadness,
प्रकृति दासी
udas.
होती है,
It is
तभी
when you become a
उदासी
servant,
कभी दास
that is
न बनना,
dasi, of one's sanskar or
और
another,
दास बनने की
or of
निशानी
nature,
ही उदासी।
that you become sad,
किसी न
udas.
किसी संस्कार व
Cha?
स्वभाव के
Om Shanti.
दास बनते हो, तब उदास होते हो। अच्छा, ओम शांति।